Hello teachers, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Now, after you present vocab, the second step or the second stage is checking understanding or concept checking. We would like to know if students understand the form, the meaning, and the use of the words, then we can move to practice. So for concept checking, these are the three main elements or techniques I use to make sure that my learners understand the word. Number one, I ask them questions. For example, if I teach words about colors like blue, red, yellow, okay, I may ask them a question like, is blue, is it a color or food? Teacher, is a color. So here I'm asking questions based on choices. Or, what's the color of the sun? The color. Is it yellow or is it blue? Teacher, it's yellow. Or, what is the color of the sky? Teacher, it's blue. So we can ask questions. Because for me, if you say, do you understand? All students will say, yes, teacher, we understood. Okay, why? Because shy students will say yes. Confused students will say yes. Students who are scared in class, they may say yes. Okay. Lazy students will say yes. So try to avoid do you understand, okay? But ask them concept checking questions. Number two, using a sentence. Again, we are going to teach students colors. At the end, I'm going to tell them, can you put color in a sentence? So my favorite color is blue. Or can you put the word yellow in a sentence? The sun is yellow, okay? Or can you put black in a sentence? Night is black. So here we make sure that the students understand. It's better than the question, do you understand? Automatically the answer is yes. Number three is translation. And remember, I all the time put translation at the end, okay? If you would like to make sure that your learners understand the words, you can say, can you put this in this language? Or can you use it in your mother tongue? Or what is this in Arabic? Blue, what is blue in Arabic? They may say, it's azraq. What is yellow? It is asfar, okay? But for me, it's better to start with asking questions or using a sentence. If these may not work, then you can move to translation, because we don't want our learners to use mother tongue in our English classes. Great. Now there's another question that every technique here for concept checking has got both. Has got something good and something negative. Okay, everyone, okay. If we say asking questions, what is good here is the communication, is the target language. They are using English, and you make sure that they understand or not. And it's time saving. It's very quick. Okay. Is the sky blue or red? The sun's color, is it yellow or blue? So quickly, okay. What is negative about it is that some students may not interact. They feel shy, or they feel scared, or they feel confused. So they may not raise their hand and say, I understand or not. Using a sentence, if you compare using a sentence with asking a question, this is time consuming. It takes time. Time consuming, because they are going to write, and if they write, it takes time for students. And also it's a difficult technique. It's very difficult, or it's very hard for learners. Okay, so let me write here, sorry, I'm going to write, this is in the negative side, okay. So time consuming. And it is very hard, very difficult for learners. Alright, but here, what is good about it, it's very convenient. It shows if students have learned, have understood the words or not. So very effective. Alright, great. Now, translation, what is good about it? Very quick, time saving. What is blue in Arabic? Teacher, teacher, it is Azraq. What is yellow in Arabic? Teacher, teacher, it is Asfar. So, time saving. And it's very quick. Alright. What is not good about it is the mother tongue. They may, have a bad habit in their classes using their mother tongue. So, my piece of advice, when you present vocab, don't move to practice. The next step is concept checking, okay? And how? You can ask questions, choices. You can ask them to put that word in a sentence, or you can ask them to give you the translation of the word. But please avoid the question, do you understand? Do you understand means that the whole class will say, yes, we understood. Thank you.